It says, what do you know about yourself now that you didn't know when you were younger?
Sorry to repeat it. What do I know about myself now that I didn't know when I was younger?
Yeah.
Almost everything. I mean, subhanAllah, almost everything. You know, I learned a lot. Actually, to be very fair, what I learned now that I didn't know when I was a little bit younger was to respect people who differ with me. Oh, that's something I really learned. And to honor them and to offer them that, you know, the greeting and the smile, and to be able to take them in as someone who's also a human being who perhaps is following a different opinion, depending on what exactly it is, right? You have those who are totally out of what is acceptable. Still, you should offer them a little bit of respect, in the sense that, don't you want the truth that you have to be heard by them? They will never be able to hear it if you didn't offer them a minimum respect, you know? And so I've learned that, because when I was younger, we were trained, should I say, to just look at people who differ from you and to go the other way, and that's it. The term used was al-wala wal-bara, and that's it, you know? And I felt that something was amiss, and then I learned that the interpretation of it differs from sheikh to sheikh, and then a lot of them haven't ever lived in the West, and they haven't interacted with people who might not be Muslim, or people who may be Muslims from a different background, who perhaps grew up believing that they were always right, and maybe they may have an opinion that you might not have even learnt or thought about or even considered, or they may be wrong. Nonetheless, still, you got to offer the guys respect. That's what I learned. That's probably one of the biggest things I've learned over time. So it doesn't mean everyone that I get along with do I agree with. That's who I am now.